So guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to test ride this ATV and my dad is riding my Duke 390. I'm pretty much sure after accelerating this you are not going to hear anything. Let's get started, man. Let's enjoy the adventure. Why you should buy an adventure tourer bike when you can buy the ATV, man? Look at the current, man. It will pop up a wheelie, man, trust me. You know, the engine is emitting heat from this side. This reminds me of my KTM. By the way, this does not have a radiator, so this is air cooled. My KTM looks amazing. Oh, what a stiff suspension, man. The only problem I'm facing it right now is with the mirrors, so I just have to look manually right and left just to check whether is there any upcoming vehicle left behind me or not. Is it raining? Damn, it's raining, yeah. It's amazing. This ATV is simply amazing, guys, trust me. It's raining out here. I'm riding this ATV. What else you need, man? Amazing climate out now.